Hi everyone, I am going to give you a brief introduction about human population and the environment. Population. The word population was derived from Latin word populus. The meaning of the word is people. We know the population is changing each and every year. So the study of population change is known as population dynamics. In ecology, the population is defined as a group of organisms of the same species occupying a particular space. Let us see how the population density is calculated. It is calculated by the number of individuals of the population per unit area or per unit volume. There are some parameters are available to affect the population size. They are birth rate, death rate, immigration and immigration. Let us see one by one. First one is the birth rate. It is the number of people born per thousand people in a given year. The next one is the death rate. It is the number of people died per thousand people in a given year. Third one is the immigration. It refers the arrival of individuals from neighboring population or country. Last one is the immigration. It refers the dispersal of individuals from the original area to new areas. When we look at the past 100 years, there were rapid growth of global population. This is due to difference between birth rate and death rate. This leads to population growth. Let us see the causes of population growth. The prime factor is the decrease in death rate and increase in birth rate. This is due to availability of antibiotics. The next reason is increased food production. The increased production of food leads to decrease of famine related death, and also the immunization decreases the infant mortality. The next one is the clean water and air. Always the clean water and air favors the human life on earth. In agricultural based countries, the parents have been given birth to more number of children to assist them in cultivating land. Next one, we are going to see the problems of population growth. The first one is the pollution. Our environment get polluted due to more number of people and their activities. The second one is unemployment. We have to face unemployment problem because our government cannot offer employment to huge number of people. The third one is loss of agricultural land. To accommodate all the people, all the agricultural lands are destructed and converted into dwelling place. And also there is increased demands for food and natural resources and inadequate health housing services. Now we are going to see about the variation of population among nations. At present, the world population has crossed 7 billions. When you look at the existing population, it is also not evenly distributed. Less developed countries have 80% of population. At the same time, the developed countries have only 20%. In 2000, the population status is 610 crore. In 2050, we are expecting the population may cross 10 billion. Now we are going to see about the variation of population based on age structure. Based on age structure, the variation of population has been classified into three. They are pre-productive population. This come under the age of 0 to 14 years. The next one is the reproductive population. This come under the age of 15 to 44 years. The last one is the post-reproductive population. This come under the age of above 45 years. First, we are going to see about the pyramid-shaped variation. This kind of population variation we can see in India, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, and Nigeria. Here, the population will be increased year on year. The reason is the large number of young people will soon enter into reproductive age and give birth to people, and there will be increase of population growth. But the less number of old people indicate less loss of population due to death. This forms a pyramid shape, so this is called as pyramid shaped variation of population. Next one, we are going to see about the bell shaped variation of population. We can see this kind of population variation in France, UK, and Canada. Here, there will be a stable population. The reason is the pre-productive age group and reproductive age group population are more or less equal. So, the people entering into reproductive age group will not change the population, and thus the population growth is stable. Next one, we are going to see about the unshaped variation of population. This kind of population we can see in Germany, Italy, and Sweden. Here there will be decrease of population. The reason is the pre-productive age group is smaller than the reproductive age group population. In the next 10 years, the number of people in the reproductive age group is less than the before, resulting in decrease of population. Look at the picture. First one shows the pyramid, second one is the bell shaped, third one is the urn shaped. Look at this picture. The first place, it shows the world population. The first place occupied by the China, and then next place occupied by the India. Our Indian government has initiated so many steps to protect our population against the COVID-19. So stay at home and stay protected. Thank you everyone.